In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix YouTube captions not showing. So if you're trying to watch a video on YouTube with captions but the captions are not showing, there is a solution for you. First of all, what you have to do is launch open YouTube. You can either open the application or you can also open it on browser. If you're trying to open it on browser, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in youtube.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of YouTube. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So in order to fix your problem, first of all, what you have to do is click on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for settings and click on it. After you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is click on this option, playback and performance. Now you'll be able to access the settings related with playback and performance over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for subtitles and closed captions. What you have to do is simply check on this option, always show captions. Also check on this option, include auto-generated captions when available. If this option is already checked for you, what you have to do is simply uncheck these options, wait for a while and check these options again. Now after you do that, your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, it might be because of the cache. In that case, what you have to do is clear the cache of the YouTube application. If you're using the YouTube application, you'll be able to do it via the settings of your device. If you're using the browser, what you have to do is simply click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for delete browsing data. Click on it and you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is delete the browsing data. Make sure cookies and other site data, cached images and files are selected. Now click on this option, delete data. Now after you wait for a while, the data will be deleted. Now if you start using YouTube again and if you start watching the video, the captions will be available for you. So that is how you fix YouTube captions not showing. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.